One of the first things that I remember that was pretty funny is, can't believe that we actually started like this, is all of our communication was in a Facebook Messenger group amongst our business partners. And I mean, that quickly got out of hand. I mean, you have all different types of topics going on in the same thread. Some of you probably are laughing at that. Yeah, how could that ever work? So what happened? The program that ended up solving all our issues was Slack. So with that application, we were able to divide all our discussions up into different topics and different channels and be much more organized with it. And so if you have whether it's just internal communication amongst business partners or with your employees, or if you're partnering with another business, you can insert them in temporarily into those channels. Slack can be very powerful, just help keep the conversations organized. The next thing, super important, is